So we were talking about control Z, right? I don't think so you're doing control Z in your life. I honestly don't think so you can. Nobody can. I mean, there are things, there's everything you can do in life. You can go back in time and change things. You just can't. You can learn from it and probably not do this again. That's what you can do. I'll give you an example. I got married 10 years ago. I got divorced 9 years ago. और किसी और की जिंदगी में जहर घोल रही है वो. Don't take me wrong, I was broken as a hell. Like, I was a director in an organization. I used to handle a lot of process, multi-million-dollar accounts. I couldn't handle one woman. Like, just, it was a failure at a personal and a professional level, both for me. I just couldn't figure out why did I get divorced. And then I realized, oh my God, how did I even get married in the first place? Now when I look at it, I think that was the best thing that happened to me. Had I been married, I would have had kids, I would have had a wife, I would have had a job. I couldn't have been able to do anything that I want to do. Because every time you get up and you want to leave a job, you can't think of house ka kisht, घर की installment, गाड़ी का किश्त, बीवी के खर्चे, बच्चों की fees. I'm not married now, but I'm really happy. I don't have kids. I don't think so we need to have kids anymore. We have 1.25 billion people. I honestly think we should stop. We should just stop, like once. I think there are enough kids outside in the world who can actually need love and you can adopt them. That's the control Z I want to do for my life. You know, like, that's what I want to do. I don't want to have my own kids. मैं चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य की औलाद नहीं, मुझे अपना वंश नहीं बढ़ाना. Like, मैं घोड़े पे नहीं आता. Like, my mother is like after my like, हमारा वंश कैसे बढ़ेगा? 173 गज का प्लॉट है हमारा. Can we just relax? वसीयत पे और नाम नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Like, it's just, हमारा वंश कैसे बढ़ेगा? So please calm down. और मेरे भाई के 2 बच्चे हैं, which we should totally disregard, which is so stupid. I think there are things that we can't do. Like, for example, I'll give an example. About a year ago, I got diagnosed with diabetes. I was not even surprised. I'm 39. I'll be 40 this year. I got diagnosed with diabetes. And I had severe diabetes. What I've done, I've drank all my life. I smoke like a chimney. I eat only red meat. For me, chicken was paneer. Right? I'm a guy who'll finish off a red meat platter in the morning for breakfast. About 44 days back, today's day 45. 45 days back, I got a star in my right eye. I went to the doctor. My sugar was 400. 140 is diabetes. 250 is heart attack. 300 is blindness. And 350 is paralysis. I was 400. I walked out, lit up a cigarette, smoked as... That's it. That's all I did. And then I started walking 10 kilometers a day. 10 kilometers. For 30 days. 12 days later, I got a sty again. I said, shit. ये तो जिंदगी में मतलब घुस गई, कालिक घुस गई है मेरे. I have stopped drinking. I don't eat red meat. I don't eat fried. I don't eat sugar. I don't eat carb. I walked into the doctor. I said, what is happening now? He said, this is just an infection. Calm down. Your sugar is 168. Now 400 to 168 I came. Right? Now my sugar is running at 118. I'm below diabetes level. I walk 15 kilometers a day. That is the only priority I have now. So I can't do control Z. Can I be not a diabetic in my life? No. I'll always be a diabetic. But I can manage it now. I walk 15 kilometers a day because I don't want to die. People ask me, what's your plan? I said, I don't want to die tonight. I want to get up tomorrow morning. That's my only plan. Rest, give me the day, I'll take care of myself. Don't let me die tonight. I want to get up tomorrow morning. Rest of the things I can take care of myself. I don't need help in that. So I can't do a control Z with my life. I can't go and change it. This is the lowest I've ever weighed in my life. Lowest. This shirt used to be one of those shirts जब मैं बैठ के बीच का बटन खुला था टक. I started wearing a proper banana को नीचे से ऐसे निकल तो उंगली निकल रही होती थी. I said, what is this? It was embarrassing. I went to Benetton. I bought a belt for the first time in 20 years in Benetton because Benetton का triple XS is extra small for me. So I went to Benetton and bought a belt. He said, sir, हमारे पास सबसे बड़ी belt आएगी आपको. I said, oh, आएगी? I bought it and I came like, dude, मैं कल से नंगा घूमूंगा. Like, I can just wear the belt and roam around because that's what my achievement was in life. I sit in a flight, the tray comes down. These are small wins for me. I sit in a flight, the tray comes down. You know why I bought an Apple? I bought an iPad because I wanted to watch movies because my Toshiba laptop wouldn't let me close the tray. I was like, oh, यहाँ क्या चल रहा है? That is how I used to watch movies in life. अब वो tray नीचे रखता मैं खाना मैं tray पे रख दे खुद. Like I'm just too show off with it. And which is fine, which is fine. I always used to fly business class because I couldn't fit in economy. अब सीट बेल्ट लाती है मैं उसमें ऐसे टेढ़ा करके बैठता हूँ थोड़ी सी लूज करके मैं and look at me. And nobody is like, you have to realize people have their own lives rather than look at a fat guy dealing with his belly. There are things that I can't do. Like for example, my father died when I was 4. I had a very poor childhood. And it's nothing to be serious about. I started working as a door-to-door salesman for selling Dabur biscuits and juice and things like that. I used to earn 30 rupees a day. And then I started working at PVR, the first multiplex which opened in India at Saket, which is PVR Anupam 4. I was a torchman there. मुझे चोरी करते हुए पकड़ लिया था, टिकट ब्लैक कर रहा था मैं, तो बहुत मारा मेरे को, थप्पड़ ही थप्पड़ और निकाल दिया वहां से. Then I joined Pizza Hut as a waiter. I was there a waiter for 3 years. What I learned in the life is I never stole again. Then I joined call centers. From 2000 onwards, for 2016, 2013, 7th March 2013 is when I quit my job. I was a director. In 14 years, I never stole a day. I never stole a moment. I never stole from my work. I never stole a property in the office because I got beaten up very young in the age. Can I go back and change it? No, I can't. Can I go back and say that I did not steal? No, I can't. I just can't. I stole. मैं किया टिकट ब्लैक तो करी मैंने. I can go back, but I can't do no. I have to learn that I don't have to do it again. I don't. See, the bottom line in life is a lot of men especially. I think two genders we have. Women are the superior species, get it fact shit straight. Like I'm telling you right now. Women are superior species. Men are horrible. Men are binary. We are either horny or hungry. That is how men are. And the point is that. So if you don't see the guy looking at lusty, like, then make him a sandwich. The point about what I'm trying to tell you here is every man cheats in his life. Every man cheats, in relationship or not a relationship. The only two type of men who don't cheat are too scared to cheat or too ugly to cheat. Okay? So learn from this, don't cheat. Don't cheat. It's a very conscious choice. Learn from it. You will say, you know people in your life who have done this. You have done it. Have I done it? Yes. Have you done it? Yes. Have you done it today? No, probably. Have I done it today? No, probably. Maybe he has done it today. I don't know. Yeah, see, he raises his hand. The air hostess was nice. But whatever, the point is that you don't have to deal. All I'm saying is there are choices in life, you have to make a choice. The right and the wrong. It's very clear. Let me ask you this question. How many people think between 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest in the denomination for being honest and 10 being the most honest you can ever be, how many people rate themselves between 1 to 10, from above 5 to 10 or lower 1 to 5? How many people 5 to 10? Raise your hand. Okay. What do you rate yourself as? Something in the last. What do you rate yourself as? 7? Anybody who rates 10? That I wanted to just ask. Anybody who rates 9? 8? 7? 6? 5? 4? Yeah, 3. That's fine. You realize that you can only be 0 or 10 in this. You can be slightly honest. A woman is never slightly pregnant. She's either pregnant or not pregnant. Get the shit straight in life. You're either honest or you're not honest. So anybody who said anything below than 10 is lying. So 9, good luck. 8, 7, sure. You're a liar. That's what you need to do. See, this is what you need to do. There will be things I want you to make mistakes. I want you to make mistakes. I want you to. And everybody who comes and listens to my story, dude, you did a lot of hard work. No, I did not. You realize when I started working with PVR as a torchman, I did not know a life better than that. So for me, that was the best life I enjoyed. And back then, I'll be 40 this year, so this is 1997. So we're talking about 20 years ago. The cell phones weren't there. I used to watch movies every Thursday because we do this screening. I used to call people on their PP. Padosi ka phone hota, remember? Not even their landline. Like, it was a landline, which was Padosi ka phone. I'll call them. I said, teko pata hai? Goat mein kajol ke lere, click. You realize he has to wait for a month to see me and kill me. I used to be that sadistic. Things are better now. You can call on cell phone and just kill the suspense. All I'm trying to say is I made the most of it. I made the most of my job in PVR. Can we get, please next time invest in 2 mics. I'm saying, when I was in Pizza Hut, my job was the most amazing thing to have. I used to serve pizzas and take orders. And I used to be the kick-ass guy on that. I was always the best guy. Thank you for calling Pizza Hut. Would that be delivery or carry out? And somebody can you butter chicken pizza? मैं अरे पंजाबी. मैं तू ही हो सकता दूसरी साइड में butter chicken pizza. But I learned how to say pizza. I don't say pizza. How in life pizza हमने order किया था. मैं pizza order किया था इसलिए नहीं आया. ठीक है ना? Just calm down. I've seen a lot of people. I swear, I shit you not. There are people who go to Pizza Hut and say, अच्छा एक काम करिए pizza दीजिए हम 6 लोग इसको 6 टुकड़े कर देना. मेरा काम pizza बनाना है लाशें काटना नहीं है. Just saying. All I'm saying is that I never felt I was doing a bad job. For me, Pizza Hut was the best thing happened to me. PVR was the best thing happened to me. Door-to-door salesman. You know what it taught me? Never be rude to people who are not fortunate enough. I tip heavily to my delivery boys. Whenever somebody delivers food at my place, I tip them heavily because I know at certain point in time, I was earning my livelihood out of it. मेरा घर चलता था उन पैसों से। जब वो ठंड में आपके पास पिज्जा देने आता ना, या जब भी कुछ देने आता उस मोपेड पे, वो खुशी से नहीं देने आ रहा होता आपको। When you slam the door at people, no, it is rude. It is not an implication on them, it is an implication on you. That you are a moron. Because your upbringing was stupid. That is what I learned when I was a road to road sales. When people slam the doors on my face every day. Every day. I scored 45% in my graduation. MBA का फॉर्म लेने जाता मुझे थप्पड़ मार के बाहर निकाल देते थे. Today I'm giving TEDx talk. Deal with it. That's how life is, right? देशबंधु इवनिंग से किया मैंने. इतना घटिया कॉलेज है, वहां सिर्फ अखाड़ा चलता है. ठीक है ना? Have you seen Burly Man in Langot? It is not a sight you want to see. So all I'm saying is that you can't do Control Z with your life. You can't undo things in life. You can only learn from them. Learn from people around you. The problem with life is, and the problem with human species is that you will still make those mistakes because we are dumb. We're just dumb. आपके माँ बाप भौंक भौंक के मर जाएंगे, बेटा पढ़ाई कर ले, जिंदगी में तरक्की करे. नहीं, मेरे को सिक्योरिटी गार्ड बनना है. तो मर फिर साले. वही बनेगा तू. When people tell you the college times is the best time, believe me, shit will hit the roof once you get out. Your boss wouldn't care how amazing you are. He will whoop your ass every single day. He will do it. Like, he will slap the crap out of you because he's paying you for it. So get your shit in place. You're nobody's business right there. You are as good as your last day. That's it. And you will do a job which will company take 24 hours to replace. So don't get married to it. That's it. Your identity is 24 hours there. If you quit that company, company takes 24 hours to replace you. So stop making yourself so important that you think you're very important. You're nobody. Accept it. Or make something out of it. Make yourself something that you want to be. You know, that's all I'm saying. When you go back in life, like for me, I'm taking charge of my health now. Because I have too many people to live for. I have a mother to live for. Like, and everybody in my life, and this is all Punjabi families, they will come and tell you, teri maa ne badi mehnat kari. I said, she did not have a choice. You realize this, right? अब औलाद पैदा करी उसको जंगल में थोड़ा ना छोड़ देंगे. And every family will come up with these two dialogues. ना, हम जब तुम्हारी उम्र के 10 किलोमीटर पैदल चलते थे, मैं तो अब गरीब थे. Not my problem, is it? हम 7 भाई बहन एक ही कमरे में सोते थे. ऐसे नाना जी को रोकना था फिर. How is this my problem? How is this my problem? Learn from it. That was my time, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yuveshu. You've been a lovely, lovely audience. Thank you so much.